Just grab any pencil, the pencils do not matter as long as they are pencils. Grab any sketchbook, but make sure that it is at least 150 GSM paper. Now go to your sketchbook and draw any character that you like, trace any reference that you like, and just start shading in the same direction. Whether it is horizontal, vertical, or diagonal, just make the strokes in the same direction. Control your pencil pressure, control your hand pressure, and make the strokes accordingly. Light shades, dark shades, whatever, just you need to draw them in the same direction. Either it is diagonal, or horizontal or vertical, it doesn't matter, but you must stroke the pencil in the same direction. Here are my own arts as an example that I shade every time in the same direction, and you can see the results, they are phenomenal. Just shading in the same direction makes the art look so much good and clean. As you can see, everywhere wherever I'm shading, I'm just making same direction strokes. Either it's diagonal or it's vertical or it's horizontal, it doesn't matter, but I do not change the course of the shading lines. You can see for yourself, there is no big secret behind these drawings being so clean and so good. It is all about shading in the same direction, tracing your reference cleanly, and just practice and practice and practice and nothing else. So just shade in the same direction and practice every day, and you will become even better than these arts in just 10 to 20 days, I know. But this technique alone cannot make you a good artist in just one day. You need the practice, you need the experience. And once you get the hang of this technique, you will love this technique and you won't ever need anything else to shade your drawings better than ever. So, goodbye.